Money Heist fans are completely losing their minds right now because Netflix officially announced that the Money Heist universe is continuing. But here is the biggest question: are we finally getting season 6 or Netflix planning something even bigger? Because after years of silence, new updates, new spin offs, and mysterious teaser messages are making fans believe that Money Heist is far from over. And honestly, the signs are starting to look very suspicious. In today's video, we are breaking down what Netflix officially confirmed, why fans think season 6 is secretly happening, which character could return, possible future storyline, and whether the professor could come back for one final heist. And trust me, some of these new details are actually crazy. So make sure to watch till the end because the future of Money Heist may already be secretly planned. Even years after the original ending, Money Heist is still one of the biggest Netflix shows ever created. When the series first exploded globally, nobody expected a Spanish crime drama to become a worldwide phenomenon. But suddenly, everyone was wearing the red jumpsuit, everyone knew the Delhi mask, and Bella Ciao became iconic everywhere. Fans love the emotional storytelling, shocking battle, instant heist, and especially the mastermind himself, the professor. He was not just a criminal mastermind, he became one of Netflix's most iconic character ever. And even after the original story ended, fans never really moved on from this universe. That's why every tiny rumor about season 6 instantly goes viral online. Because people still want more. And now Netflix may finally be preparing the next chapter. So let's talk about the big update. Recently, Netflix officially confirmed that Money Heist universe is continuing with new project and expansion. That means the franchise is not dead. And this is the biggest thing fans needed to hear. The biggest confirmed project right now is Berlin Season 2. After the success of the first season, Netflix clearly realized that fans still love this universe. And during recent announcements, Netflix used the phrase like the revolution never ends. Now, that sentence may sound small, but for Money Heist fans, that line created massive theories online because it sounds less like goodbye and more like a setup of future stories. Many fans now believe Netflix is slowly rebuilding the franchise before eventually bringing back a bigger man story. And honestly, that strategy makes complete sense. Netflix knows Money Heist is still one of the strongest international brands. So instead of rushing into season 6 immediately, they may be expanding the world first, just like Hollywood franchises do now. Now this is where things get really interesting. Even though Netflix has not officially announced season 6, fans think it's already secretly in development. And honestly, there are several reasons why people believe this. First, Netflix never fully closed the door. The creators have repeatedly said they love the universe and could return with new ideas in the future. Second, the success numbers are still huge. Every time Money Heist trend on Netflix again, social media explode, TikTok edits go viral, fan theories return, old scenes start trending again. That tells Netflix one very important thing: people still care. Third, the spin-off strategy feels international. Usually when studios expand spin-off, it means they want to keep the main universe alive long term. And fans notice something else. Many teaser campaigns still heavily used the red suit, the mask, and reference connected to the professor. That's why many viewers believe Netflix is testing audience hype before officially revealing a big project later. And honestly, if the hype continues growing like this, season 6 feels more possible than ever before. Now let's talk about the character fans desperately want to see again. Obviously, the biggest name is the Professor. Without him, many fans feel Money Heist would not feel complete. His intelligence, emotional movement, and calm personality become the heart of the series. And if Netflix truly want maximum hype, bring him back would instantly break the internet. Other possible returning character including Rio, Denver, Stockholm, Lisbon. Now obviously some character had emotional endings already. So Netflix probably would not undo major deaths just for fan service. But flashbacks, prequel stories, new timelines, those are absolutely possible. Especially the franchise already proved it can successfully use prequel storytelling with Berlin. And honestly, fans would probably return instantly just to see the old crew together again. Now imagine, what if the new storyline is not just another bank robbery? What if Netflix goes global this time? Many fans believe the next chapter could involve international heist, cybercrime, global economical collapse, or a brand new younger crew. And maybe the professor become more of a mentor figure. That would actually be a smart move because it allows Netflix to keep old fans happy, introduce new character and continue the universe for many more years. Some theories even suggest that the new story could involve government hunting surviving member of the original crew again. Others think a copycat heist team may emerge inspired by the original robbers. And honestly, that idea sounds very realistic instead the money heist world. Because after everything that happened, the original gang basically become global legends. So it would make sense if new criminals try to copy them. The internet reaction has honestly been wild. The moment Netflix teased future money heist projects, fans instantly start posting Season 6 theories, return prediction, fact trailer, and emotional edits everywhere online. YouTube comments are filled with fans saying we need one final heist. Others says bring back the professor and Netflix wins again. And honestly, you can really feel the nostalgia because Money Heist was not just another Netflix show. For many viewers, it became an experience. The music, the speech, the emotional sacrifices, the relationship, everything made the show unforgettable. That's why fans still are not ready to say goodbye. So here is the final truth. Right now, Netflix has not officially confirmed Money Heist Season 6, but they have officially confirmed that the Money Heist universe is continuing. And honestly, that alone is massive news because it means the franchise is alive. More stories are coming, and Netflix still believes this universe has huge potential. So whether it becomes season 6, another spin-off, or an entirely new heist story, one thing is clear. The revolution is definitely not over yet. And if Netflix eventually announces the return of the professor, the internet may actually explode. But now I want to hear from you guys. Do you want a real Money High season 6? Or should Netflix create a complete new crew instant? And if the professor returned, what kind of highs should happen next? Comment your theories below. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe and turn on notification for more Netflix and movie breakdown. And I will see you guys in the next one. Bella ciao.